Walking to the spot here, Packery Channel, Corpus Christi, Texas. Famous fishing spot. Hardly ever get this many fish though. But it's on this morning, and you're gonna get a taste of it and see how we do the redfish thing. It's gonna be fun, so hold on to your horses. Hey, bro.
Appreciate it.
Yes, sir. Alright guys, I'm using this cut finger mullet, and we're gonna see if we can get on this red. Alright, we're out here at Corpus Christi, Packery Channel. It's a Friday morning, sun is coming up. I am trying to get on these reds, and here's my cast. All right, cast it out there. You see there's a bunch of boats out there looking for the redfish bite this morning. Friday, 8/12. Just cast my line out. I'm not sure I cast that one out far enough. There's the bite. There's the bite. There's the bite. There's the bite. There's the bite, guys. There's the bite. There's the bite. First cast. There it is. All right. How we catch the redfish. It's a good one, y'all. It's a good one. It's fighting. I got this 50-pound braid on, super fine line. And I got a 60-pound mono filament leader on it. My neighbor just got one too. He walked up right with me. We both hooked up right away. There's a fish over there. See him coming in pretty nicely. Look at him. He doesn't want to hang out here. Okay, but he's on, buddy. I'm gonna let him go no matter what happens, because I already got 3. I'm just doing demonstration now, showing y'all how to do it. All right, you gotta keep this rod tip up. Gotta keep the rod tip up. Otherwise the fish will snap off. And keep the tension on the fish tension on the line. Look at it. Ooh, it's a nice one. Came it right on in. I'm on some rocks here. Look at this fish. Woo-wee. There he is, guys. Look at him. I'm gonna lift him up with my rod. It's a strong rod, so here we go. There he is. Woo! Look how big that fish is. Nice one, guys. That's how we do the fish here at Packery. Beautiful red. Probably about 30 inches or so. So I'm just gonna go ahead and release it. Had to get this one in just so you can see how I did it, because my last one, the video cut off. He's gone. Okay. Wasn't that fantastic? That was awesome. Okay.